Santorini, a journey through time and beauty. Welcome to Santorini, Greece, a mesmerizing island paradise steeped in history and brimming with beauty. Prepare to be enchanted by the timeless beauty of this island. Join us on a journey through time to discover the secrets and wonders of Santorini and experience its enchanting allure. 1. Unveiling the beauty. Our journey begins with the unrivaled beauty of Santorini's legendary sunsets, casting a spellbinding glow over the island's iconic cliffs and whitewashed villages. As evening approaches, crowds gather in anticipation of the famed Santorini sunset. From the vantage point of Oya, witness the sky ablaze with fiery colors, casting a magical glow over the island. But the beauty of Santorini extends far beyond its sunsets. Explore the charming villages of Fira, Oya and Pyrgos, each offering unique allure. Meander through the labyrinthine streets of Santorini's villages, where every corner reveals a postcard-perfect scene straight out of a dream. Marvel at the iconic blue-domed churches against a backdrop of whitewashed buildings. Wander through narrow cobblestone streets adorned with bougainvillea. Let's remember Santorini's captivating beaches, where crystal-clear waters lap against volcanic shores, inviting you to immerse yourself in pure bliss. And don't forget to dip your toes into the crystal-clear waters of Santorini's beaches, where the contrast of black, red, and white sands creates a striking panorama. 2. Delving into history. But Santorini's allure extends far beyond its natural splendor. Santorini's history is as rich as its landscape. Journey back in time to uncover the mysteries of the ancient Minoan civilization at the archaeological site of Akrotiri, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii. For centuries, Akrotiri has been preserved beneath layers of volcanic ash. It offers a glimpse into this ancient civilization's daily life and advanced culture. Traverse the centuries as you explore medieval castles and Byzantine churches, each bearing witness to Santorini's storied past of conquests and cultural exchange. 3. Experiencing the culture. A visit to Santorini would only be complete with indulging in its culinary delights. From savoring mouth-watering Greek specialities to soaking in the lively atmosphere of local tavernas, immerse yourself in the island's vibrant culinary scene. Feast on traditional Greek dishes infused with local ingredients, such as freshly caught seafood, sun-ripened tomatoes and creamy feta cheese. As the sun sets, experience the warmth of Greek hospitality, where live music and dancing create an atmosphere of celebration. But Santorini's culture extends beyond its culinary delights. Meet local artisans preserving age-old traditions, from pottery making to wine production. 4. Adventure and exploration. Unleash your adventurous spirit. For the adventurous at heart, Santorini offers a wealth of outdoor activities to explore its rugged landscapes and azure waters. Embark on a scenic hike along the Caldera Rim, where panoramic views of the Aegean Sea reward your efforts. Or dive into the depths of the sea and discover a vibrant underwater world teeming with marine life. For the daring, cliff jumping offers heart-pounding excitement against the backdrop of Santorini's rugged coastline. But adventure in Santorini isn't just about adrenaline. It's about embracing the unknown, immersing yourself in nature and discovering the thrill of exploration. Embark on adrenaline-pumping adventures, sailing excursions to hidden caves and coves whereby there is no shortage of thrills. As our journey ends, we're left with memories etched in our hearts and a longing to return to this paradise on earth. So, why wait? Come experience the timeless beauty and rich culture of Santorini for yourself. Your adventure awaits on this enchanting island in the heart of the Aegean Sea.